In today's video, I'll show you how to add a conversion rate to your Looker Studio reports. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Log into your account, then open the report where you want to track conversion rate. Once the report is open, go to Resource at the top and click Manage Added Data Sources, then select Edit on the data source you are using. Inside the data source editor, look for the option to Add a field. Click it to create a new calculated metric. Now enter the formula event count divided by sessions. This calculation gives you the conversion rate by comparing completed events like purchases or form submissions against total sessions. Next, set the data type to percentage so the value is displayed correctly. Give the field a clear name such as conversion rate or form submission rate and then save the field. Once saved, return to your report. Find the new conversion rate metric in the field list and drag it into a scorecard, table or chart just like any other metric. And that's it. You've successfully added a conversion rate to your Looker Studio report, helping you clearly measure performance and make smarter data-driven decisions. Happy reporting!